Today's video is about 100 everyday spoken English sentences related to directions, asking for help, doctor's appointment, daily routine, shopping, and telephonic conversations. Watch our videos to improve your written and spoken English skills. Directions. I am looking for this address. You are going in the wrong direction. Do you have a map? Where is the nearest metro station? It's about 200 meters from here. Turn left at the crossroads. Do you know where the ATM is? Go along this road. Is there a store around here? I'm looking for the shopping mall. The hospital is around the corner. Could you direct me to? Take this road. Go along the street. Take left turn. Go back. Can you give me directions to cafe? Go down there. Is there a park around here? Drive down this road. Asking for help. I need some help, please. Can you help me, please? I need some assistance. Can I ask you a favor? Could you hold that? Could you please guide me to the classroom? Can you please tell me where the reservation counter is? Could you do me a favor? I could use some help. Doctor's appointment. Could you fix my appointment for 10 a.m. please? When is the doctor free? I have a fever. I'm not feeling well. Please prescribe me some medicines. I have an appointment on Wednesday, but I would like to change it. Is there any slot available on Monday? I need to see the doctor. I need to make an appointment for myself. I need to renew my prescription. Shopping. How much is this? Where is the changing room? What do you want to buy? Can I try this on? Can I have a refund? Where can I pay? Do you have a refund policy? Have you got the receipt? Do you have this item in stock? Do you offer discount? Do you have a bigger size? Where can I find vegetables section? I want to buy some grocery items. Buy it for me, please. I am looking for a hair gel. Does it come with a guarantee? It doesn't fit. I will pay by card. Do you take credit cards? I would like to return this. Telephonic conversations. Can I put you on hold? One moment, please. Who is calling, please? Wait a minute. Could I speak to Mr. Alex, please? I can't hear you. Speak to you again soon. Talk to you later. I am returning his call. Could I leave a message for her, please? Would you like to leave a message? Am I audible to you? Thanks for calling. I need to take this call. Could you please repeat that? I am sorry to keep you waiting. Daily routine. I am preoccupied. Bake the chapati. Is all good. I need a moment. Let's practice English. I am starving. Don't play in the street. It was nice meeting you. Glad to meet you. Let's catch up. It happened suddenly. What did you say? Can you recommend me a book? I'm sorry to interrupt you. How was your weekend? Print the document, please. It really takes time. Don't waste my time. Let's grab some lunch. I will send you an email. When is the train leaving? Is everything all right? I rarely visit there. Are you free to chat? Where would you like to meet? I ate already. I am on a diet. The book is on the table. When are you coming? I need to change clothes. Give up bad habits. I love kiwis. There is plenty of time. A long time ago. That smells bad. Your time is up. Please write it down. I will be late by 10 minutes. She taught English. He is playing cricket. Did you learn anything new? What was your favorite part? Was this helpful? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.